Today we're going to look at this modem, the Home Hub 4000, and this is the serial number. I've blocked it out a bit, but this is where you can find the serial number for the Home Hub 4000. But most importantly, what we want to look at right now is how do we put back this optical cable which is off from this hole right here. You guys can see that right down here is the hole that we need to put back the fiber cable, right? So these are all the Ethernet ports down there which you're not concerned about. This is the power, and this is the fiber cable, fiber connection. So you're looking for something like this, right? If you see this, it has many sides. So what we're looking for, a side with this little thing coming out, right? What is this thing? Can you guys see that? See, it only exists on one side. It's not on all the sides, just on one side. Okay, there's white lines at the bottom and the top, but we're looking for this thing here, which is important. Okay, so what we want to line up is this thing has to go into, if you see this hole, there is a little notch, right? So we want this notch to fit into this hole. So what you're going to do is line it up, make sure that that little sleeve is up, and then you want, after you line up, you want to give it a hard push, right? Hard push till it lines up with the white line. So I'm gonna hold it here and give it a hard push with my hand. Okay, I got it in. And then as soon as it's in, the white line lines up with the entrance. So then you know it's fully in.